everyone. Hello. It's your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My ogbonge people, again one video when I see for Iyore One of Paris for platform where one girl call say the guy dey shop him money like now Central boy for France. Now this thing they happen. So I can't hear many story about that guy, Say the guy they shop him money. Now so the guy tell am say him go marry am. And this guy get wife. Oh, my people, Mona just listen very well. With some of our guys they do, whether it good, and some of our women too, where see they fuck up. So this guy, because they say he get innocent face, like the way they do for them, you know, go quick know say this guy na really a Central person, you understand? So this girl then they spend money for this guy. They give am money. They treat this boy well. Even what you come make the girl now? Come the verse now be say he give the guy money. Say make the guy say make he give am money where they settle down. Say this money we want give am now just make the say settle down. Then he said no, he said they want to carry girl come. Then after that one they'll come settle down. After I don't give am money finish, you know hear from the guy again. You know hear from this Ogbeke looking funky again. So ever since now the girl now they look for him, they pick a call again. The girl that na follower of Mommy Yori, now he can't call him, say make that one help him draw the money. And as he can't tell him in name, Mommy Yori know the guy. So you can't say the guy be nice, or the guy not be like that. And that's not that why I think they deceive people. If you say he's nice, then a bad person. And I with his wife, they do the shintro together. He with his wife, now they do him. His wife go pretend like his sister. This kind of thing good, my people. He good. More than listening, I go this off with the tell you now. Which kind of thing be that one? Who does that? Wicked man.
Hello?
Hello, Brother Kevin.
Hey, my sister, I really was sorry.
Now the Kevin that they call so.
No.
No,
The voice look familiar, eh?
the voice look familiar. Tikan. That woman will get a restaurant before for Paris.
Iyore.
Yes.
Ah, long time, mama. It's not you.
Long time no see. How you doing?
My dear father.
Good evening, my brother.
Our church will see last.
Now church will see last. God will bless you.
I know you now. With the one, I remember. I really call yourself the outside now.
They always call you. I talk and say you be my best customer when I get the time when I get restaurants. You know they
And you know they feel say that better person.
You and your brother now be teasing like
That's why they
that.
like to call your restaurant. They loud. They hard working. Don't put this in because you too fine. You too fine. You don't get honestly for me.
God will bless you because some matter come my table. I say I know you and your brother una 2 day nights. Una never hold me as all of them they owe money. Una they pay una be complete. Enjoy una self now go home. I said this matter before I go talk I need to call you. So Sandra wait they Spain.
Yeah, on my head that time.
Okay, now your ex-girlfriend, okay. She say she give you 6,000 something. So you say you want help her, now be one settle down. You tell her say me bring 6,000 something. Mona take carry girl. So now you not gonna give her the money again. Now my member she they follow me. Now she can report to me, send me your picture. Say I know you now.
I think come for so that means because I know they are around now, so we talk with it. You see me, I don't know how to lie. I never lie.
So where you there, you not fit talk. And for some you talk because now public they carry the matter come. May you first
I know, that is because I know they are around. Understand? So this father of the matter we say, the girl she's too stubborn and arrogant.
Okay.
But you sabi shop your money. You don't know say it's stubborn.
You don't fight people times. That kind of person won't marry.
Okay.
The other one is going to start for speed. The problem come. I can go for the house, go meet her friend. You know who tell that some person did there. You want to get one person cook for us.
Okay. Now see?
My mommy, not every time I be talk, understand? So I didn't help that girl. The day when I know Sandra, you know, say, I'm not supposed to stay. I don't have that. The first when I talk to her, she know everything. I tell everything.
Okay.
That's like, that was when I see the trade. I thought, this girl, because they give me wahala. I did love that day.
Okay.
That was this Paris. I thought, yeah, but they give me wahala. You don't hear me.
This guy where they talk, so the married man, oh.
Now, so just, you know everything. You know just how to talk for you, understand? So,
No, it's just good as you defend yourself. So.
When I do hear the guy, I say, then you need to say, I get respect for you because now that I've got my phone.
I know right from the one. You can get my respect. Give me. I know.
That tomorrow. Understand? So when I do respect you, when I call show you respect me, and you know my brother.
Yes.
Understand? So I don't do that person back there. I don't collect money for whom I want to know. When they say me like my do, he lost. If mommy, I'll call it for WhatsApp, right? I know that I'll call for WhatsApp.
Okay, when you come for WhatsApp, now may will clear everything. Because now public they can't call. I just want me to defend yourself.
So that's what you say if I express. You say that if I do something. No, you know I call for WhatsApp.
Call WhatsApp. Okay.
I'll call WhatsApp.
When they see matter, when they see what the guy they talk.
Mokpano etani a big. Owe mi yewe, ye tama we ya wo ko gba se. Ya wo ko gbaro, ye ma ha de.
I guess I dey blame sha.
Ye ma de enu e. Ba mu tiane.
Him go call just now.
Then I do something enemy. I see. Oh, yes. But I can't be this matter. I will know who I blame now. You are the cause of this problem. You know what? Juju give her. Okay now. But the Juju now you do a give her. But he said now you do the Juju give her. The money wants not 500, 600.
Yes.
She the list.
You know what? Well, I don't feel like to you. That's not the truth. Okay. Now, maybe the Kokobiri way not for straight now. Because when you go for Kokobiri that time, the boy not call for this education. If you someone tell me. If someone tell me, you can bring up for and go to do the education. That's what you go for.
Okay, no problem. I don't hear what say. Yeah, number two. When they do work, you give her Juju make work, make go work.
Mommy, I don't give her Juju. You know what happen?
No.
You are not the way you just go for. I don't forget the way for Paris that time. They go meet to Kokobiri. You cannot go river, go do Juju for river.
Yeah.
They can't carry also the cold. Because you go work, you go burn and you can smoke with the full eye. Now, if you don't go and say, I'm a better person, I'm a good person, I just go out. Say, I see help man. Say, they close to me.
Okay, now, but the Juju, now you do a giver. But he said, now you do the Juju giver.
No, I want to go for river, come out. I'm going to do this one.
Now, Kokobiri go do the Juju.
And this the girl talk and say na him do am o. The girl talk say na him do the Juju.
I'm a good person.
But Kevin, this matter, I will know who I blame now. You are the cause of this problem. You know what I thought said you are the cause of this problem. You get beautiful woman for house.
Okay.
And you don't deal with it before you know this one. Why? See, why it not belly for you, brother Kevin? You are the cause. You are the cause. Now true, I just talk to you as a brother. You are the cause. If like say you not follow this guy, how could you leave your woman for Paris? You come Spain, come see another woman. So how much? Okay, it not good for you. But now you will take the same house.
My people, Iyore one of Paris no know say this guy and the wife now that they do the shentro together. Now that they do it together. So he no know that make him the feel say the guy he just they talk say you get beautiful wife for us. Now two of them they do the shentro together.
Now you will take the same, brother Kevin. You are the cause. So don't beg your wife, beg it, may forgive you. may just
Not to
forget
beg
this
am. Whether
matter,
I
you
know
know.
wetin dey.
You are the cause, and then number two, you are a Christian. You the follow and they go church. How could you do that kind of
Husband and
thing?
fake.
Leave your woman. The woman not go even know say you want go see woman for Spain. You know good. You know no say if you get better woman for her, you dey waka waka. Things go they get as they be. You don't know. Hi brother Kevin. Now you call some. Me I not vex with you. I just tell you my mind. The case of last time, call your wife, may tell her say not vex. You hear, brother Kevin? You are my person. I like you right from the one. I like you. I don't need anything to go hurt you. Something way hurt you, hurt me. Just beg your wife. And this girl too. Still beg her. Tell her say make you forget. You not go fit pay the money. You not get. May forget.
You go pay that
money.
money.
Settle the town I take day. May move on with your life. You too don't move on with it. You hear?
Okay, mommy. Thank you, mommy.
God bless you.
Thank you, mommy.
Bye-bye. So, a matter now here, Kev, you're here. Hello.
Oh, mommy, that Kev is a lie.
Okay. Now the girl.
If I get to 500 euro, 800 euro, 30. You can never get this one. Do not.
No worry, go beg you. Go
beg you.
We're not in here.
The girl they cry, so YouTube not the two like all those cry of a thing, you know. If not, I will play the video finish. The girl they cry because the girl they swear for the guy say he give the guy the money cash. Cash now he take give him. He not give the guy money like say the guy want talk. The guy say na 800, 500, 600. Me not understand the this moment you sometimes so. He say me the guy you beg the guy may you forget the money. Now so that they do one. You could just forget the money just like that. Like seriously? Are you sure? That one go dey possible, my people. You could just forget the money just like that. No. That one not go work. Is the boy have to pay that money. The boy have to pay that money to the girl. That's what it be. There's no two ways about that one at all. You go pay. You go say make you just leave the money just like that. Are you kidding me right now? No, not go dey possible now. You not go dey possible. You go pay the money. You go pay. That's what me see am. This one a wife and husband they do shame throw for together with other girls for outside. That France wetin be the kind stories wey me dey hear for there sometimes the thing go dey shock alive me like the thing go dey eat me for belle. The thing go dey surprise me. The girls me no understand una my people. So now the matter the thing shock alive me, the thing surprise me I don't fit play the video because it's too long. I don't fit play everything. So thank you my darling people. Anything you think about this video, you can leave your comment for the comment section. Thank you and bye. And that guy is lying.